riding the wave of fortune, understanding one's luck is in. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very interesting English phrase. One's luck is in. It's a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversation. So, if you're ready to boost your English understanding and sound like a native, stay tuned. The phrase, one's luck is in, is used to express that a period of good fortune or success has begun for someone. It's like saying the stars have aligned in your favor, and things are starting to go really well for you. It's not just about one lucky event. It implies a series of fortunate events or a phase of good luck. The phrase is somewhat idiomatic and doesn't have a clear-cut historical origin. However, it's believed to stem from gambling or betting contexts, where one's luck significantly influences the outcome. Over time, it has evolved and is now used in various contexts, not just gambling. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. 1. After getting that promotion and finding a $20 bill on the street, I'd say my luck is in. 2. You've won 3 matches in a row? Sounds like your luck is in today. 3. She found the perfect dress for the event and got a fantastic deal on it too. Her luck is certainly in. Notice how the phrase is used to denote a streak of good fortune, not just a single lucky incident. There are other ways to express the same idea in English. Here are a few. On a roll, in a purple patch, having a streak of good luck. Everything's coming up roses. Feel free to use these alternatives to add variety to your conversation or writing. And that's a wrap on understanding the phrase, one's luck is in. Remember, it's all about recognizing and appreciating those moments or periods when everything seems to be going your way. We hope this video helps you in your journey of mastering the English language. Keep practicing, and don't forget, maybe your luck is just about to be in. See you in the next video.